Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today, I am uploading video number 6. In this video number 6, we discuss History 6 chapter, the First War of Indian Independence. Let us see the MCQ questions from this chapter. The British implemented policy of association or assertion to A. Involve Indian in administration. B. Keep the Indians away from administration. C. Bring Indian under the British laws. And the D. Send the Indians overseas wars. Yes, the correct answer is involve Indian in administration. So British wanted involve the Indian in administration. Therefore, after 1857 revolt, they introduced policy of association or assertion to involve the Indians in administration. So they want to keep the Indians calm. The England historians termed 1857 revolt as A. First Indian freedom struggle, B. Sepoy Mutiny, C. The revolt of 1857, D. The Great Uprising. Yes, the correct answer is the Sepoy Mutiny. So British historians termed 1857 revolt as Sepoy Mutiny, whereas the Indians called it as a first war of Indian independence. Even some historians call it as a 1857 revolt. The policy implemented by Dalhousie is A. Subsidiary alliance, B. Doctrine of lapse, C. Divide and rule policy, it's D. War and negotiation. So many times you have learned this one. Yes, this is B. Doctrine of lapse. If any Indian native king die without their own son or natural heir, their kingdom was lapsed or captured or confiscated by the British. This policy was called Doctrine of Lapse. So British introduced this Doctrine of Lapse in India to capture the places without waging war on them. Question number 4. In 1857, many soldiers became unemployed because A. They revolted against their own kings. B. British dethroned many Indian kings. C. Many Indian kings supported the British. D. British brought many soldiers from England. Yes, the correct answer is B. British dethroned many Indian kings. So when many Indian kings were dethroned, their army were dissolved. When army were dissolved, so the soldiers who were working for these kings lost their jobs. So therefore, they became unemployed, or they were unemployed. The next question is, the Indian handicrafts and the industries diminished due to A. Industrialization in England, B. Industrialization in India, C. Unskilled laborers, D. Illiterates. Yes, the correct answer is industrialization in England. When industrial revolution took place in England, they started to produce large amount of goods and services. All the goods and services produced in England were sold in their colonies. So India was also their colony. Therefore, Indian handicrafts and small-scale industries could not compete with machine-made products of England. So they were completely destroyed. Inam Commission enraged A. Soldiers, B. Traders, C. Farmers, D. Native kings. The correct answer is C. Farmers. The British introduced this Inam Commission to confiscate tax-free land granted to the people. So when this was introduced, farmers got angry on the British. The common people could not understand the British civil and criminal laws because A. The court language was Persian. B. The court language was English. C. All of them were illiterates. And D. British did not involve Indians. A. The court language was English. The British replaced Persian by English as court language. So therefore, the common people could not understand law and orders. So they revolted against the British. The immediate reason for the 1857 revolt, according to the British, was A. The inability to listen to the voice of Indians. Royal Enfield guns were smeared in the fat of pig and the cow. The British dethroned the Mughal king Bahadur Shah II. Nana Sahib was not paid pension. The correct answer is B. Royal Enfield guns were smeared in the fat of pig and the cow. So this hurt the sentiment of Indians. Therefore, Indians refused to use this. But British put pressure on them to use this Royal Enfield guns. So this has led to the first war of Indian independence. Bahadur Shah II was declared as the king, as the emperor of India by A. Nana Sahib, B. Mangal Pandey, C. Soldiers of Meerut, D. Soldiers of Delhi. The correct answer is soldiers of Meerut. So soldiers of Meerut also revolted against the British and refused to use Royal Enfield guns. Then finally, they decided to capture Delhi. They moved from Meerut to Delhi. They captured Red Fort and declared Bahadur Shah II, the dethroned king of Mughal Empire, as the ruler of Delhi or India. Indian soldiers refused to use the Royal Enfield guns because they were imported from England. They were greased by the fat of cow and the pig. British discriminated between Indians and the Europeans, and some soldiers were imprisoned under the false cases. The correct answer is they were greased by the fat of cow and pig. So pig was hated by the Muslims and cow was worshipped by Hindus. Therefore, both Hindu and Muslim soldiers refused to use newly introduced Royal Enfield guns and revolted against the British because it was hurting the sentiment of both the religious people. The 1857 revolt was begun first at A. Kanpur, B. Lucknow, C. Jhansi, and D. Barakpur. Yes, the correct answer is D. Barakpur. So Barakpur, where the first soldiers revolted against the British. The fort which took over by Jhansi Rani, A. Gwalior, B. Kanpur, C. Betwa, and D. Lucknow. Yes, the correct answer is A. Gwalior. So Gwalior fort was captured by Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. Nana Sahib and Tantia Topi revolted against the British at A. Gwalior, B. Kanpur, C. Betwa, and D. Lucknow. The correct answer is B. Kanpur. The Nana Sahib was not paid pension, which was paid to his father Bajirao II. Therefore, he revolted against the British. When British tried to suppress Nana Sahib, so even Tantia Topi also supported the revolt. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi revolted against A. Subsidiary alliance, B. War and negotiation policy, C. Divide and rule policy, and D. Doctrine of lapse. Yes, she revolted against D. Doctrine of lapse because she had adopted a child called Damodar. So British did not allow his adopted child to rule the Jhansi under this doctrine of lapse. This has led to the clashes between Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai and British. A reason for the failure of the mutiny was A. The Indian king did not loyal to the British. There was a very good leaders in India. Mutiny spread only in a few places. The British were not having definite aim. The correct answer is mutiny spread only in few places. So mutiny did not spread all over the country. It spread only few places. So for example, Mangal Pandey was the first person to revolt against the British from Barakpur. Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai from Jhansi, and even Nana Sahib and Tantia Topi from Kanpur. So like only few people revolted against the British. Therefore, it failed. Thank you, children. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. And even if you want to see the previous videos, go to the description box. There you can find the link. So next video will be uploaded tomorrow. Thank you.